Action.
Hello everyone, myself ABUBAKKAR FAZIL from first semester CSC branch Srinivas Institute of Technology, Mangaluru. So my product name is Football, company name Beyond Limits, name of the product after modification as I said Beyond Limits Football, company logo as shown. Mentioning some of the requirements and feelings about the product as said by the customer during empathizing activity. First one, life of the football should be more. Second one, it is helpful if branded and perfect ball available for low cost. Third one, availability should be more. Fourth one, tracing the movement of the ball. Definite and ideal. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feeling and requirement of customers, many new features are to be added to the existing products. Features to be added advanced leather to increase the life of football. Second one, ball manufactured using first class material instead of reducing cost too low. Third one, to increase the availability, ball is available on online. Fourth one, local positioning system LPS is added to trace the ball. Futuristic product name is Beyond Limits Football. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. As you can see, testing. As actually working models are not prepared, the testing stage is considered as the positive comments received for this presentation video. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.